So in this video, we're going to be further trying to continue this thing working. Recently we've been having problems with the sparker, or the little igniter in there, not actually lighting the burners. Everything else turns on, seems to run okay, but it's not actually flipping over to light all the burners, and we're not really sure what causes that exactly. But if you stick a regular lighter in there, you can light the burners yourself if it doesn't light from the pilot light. The pilot light does work okay, and everything seems to work otherwise, but for some reason it doesn't ignite the burners. So we're going to get a different igniter, which is this handy one here, and we're going to install it. First off, you just take off these two little screws here. That should remove this shield, and then that whole inside part should come off. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so I went ahead and loosened those screws. So this plate should now just pop right off there, no problems. And this little fitting should also come out. No problem. You can see where the fire and stuff has been burning on it. So I believe... Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry, that wasn't right on, but this whole little part, don't drop this little screen, comes out all as one piece. And that's the little white part is the part we're replacing. You can, well, see if it would focus on it. There you go. Little sparker jumps from that little twisted spring on the end here, boop boop, down to the little metal post. And then this, I believe, is a thermometer that keeps things running, possibly, or a thermocoupler or something like that. But we're going to be replacing that part and see if that makes everything go better. Just be careful, don't drop this little screen here. It's kind of like a little vent thing that helps it to let air in while the gas is going up. Alright, it looks like we'll just have to pop this little clip off here. I won't do it right on camera because I'll probably drop it, and I don't want to break the porcelain. Alright, just a few more things here to note. Coming out of that little white part is the two wires. One goes here. Just pop the little thing in, it unplugs. The other is plugged into this. Mine falls out because the clip is broken. I didn't break the clip, just for the record. Should unplug out of here like so. Hopefully that won't fall to its doom. Oh, and here we have the whole part. Alright, so it's pretty easy to take off. I just unclip this little black thing. The white part just pretty much falls right out. And you have the igniter piece. Still here, functioning, everything. Sorry it's not in focus. So we're just going to slip the new one in that spot, clip that little metal piece back on, and then we should be good. I just got to screw the faceplates on and stuff, but I'm going to try to run it. I'm going to try to put the screws in just to see if it ignites at all, just to make sure everything else. I plugged the black one back in here, the white one here, but it is in front of everything, so I'm going to have to probably loop it down the other side. It looks like it's shorter than the original. But hey, replacement parts. You can do what you can. So we're screwed back in now. Both screws are in. This little metal faceplate kind of like sits over the top, so you gotta like put the end in first and then set it back down over it. But we're gonna fire it up and see if it works. Alright, lit up first time, only 2 clicks, which was really fast considering. It's also probably gonna be very hot now that I've done this, but it did light up much faster than it has previously. So we're gonna hope that that sorts out the issue. I guess we'll update later to let you know. Alright, so everything is reinstalled. The little shields are reinstalled. The plates are on there. Everything is back where it should be. My little straw is back on here for this cable. You can see where it would have touched. I don't know really if that matters at all, but some guy on the internet, you know how we believe the internet. And I routed this one on this side just so it goes around when I put the faceplate back on, which we don't generally run it with faceplate on just because I have to work on it so much. But hopefully this helps you. It did ignite much quicker than it was previously. So I don't know if the sparker was just running out of steam or just worn or something. I don't know what else in here. I'm not a real mechanic. I just work this stuff out. So hopefully that helps you if you ever want to replace that little thermo igniter part thing. Thanks for watching.